सीखा मैंने जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम। सच्ची सी है ये तारीफ़ें दिल से जो मैंने करी है, जो तू मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम। ओ आसमां मिला ज़मीं को मेरी यादें पूरे हैं हम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम, ना सीखा कभी जीना, जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम।
Wow, that was... Okay, so y'all will be seeing the video right now of the song, and then there is something for y'all. Y'all have to wait for that. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. It's always so awesome to come back home, to come back to my college. Yes, Alia is asking me, you were in Mithi Bai? It's beautiful the way you guys have always welcomed me whenever I've come back here. So really, thank you for all the love. Thank you. Does everybody want to speak to Alia Bhatt? I can't hear you. All right, here we go.
Hi. You know, whatever I've heard about Mithi Bai students is like, okay, you know, when you go there, the energy is like crazy. You know? They're like so excited. They're like so shandar. And I have to say that Mithi Bai is the best college I have witnessed through all my 4 films. This is my 5th film. But what do you guys think of the song? Do you like seeing Shahid Kapoor dance? Don't we all like seeing Shahid Kapoor dance?
So is there like a MC or something who's going to run things, or should we just run things?
Yeah, no. We are
How does it work here?
We right here.
Oh, you're
right
here.
there.
Yes. Hi.
Forward guy.
Okay, so they need no introduction. We have the uber hot and the uber sexy Alia and Shahid.
So, who agrees to this that the temperature in the hall has gone up?
It's pretty hot in here.
Okay. Don't take your clothes off, please. Don't do that. That's not allowed. Sorry.
What's your name?
I'm Krishna.
Krishna. Krishna, you're asking them to not take their clothes off. You're very
No, because the
different
temperature.
kind of thoughts.
But Krishna is getting hot in here. So what does it happen when it gets hot in here?
Like, no, there is no solution. No
So that's
solution.
a well-behaved,
No solution.
No. His
such a
fantasy
well-behaved
is
MC.
rising.
Who told you to get such a well-behaved MC? Now we can't have fun.
No.
Come on, yeah. What do I want? I don't want you to take your clothes off.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be having a question answer round now with Shahid and Alia. So, yes, frame your question in your mind and please have a seat.
Guys, this is like
thank
the
you.
dream of every fan to have like a one-on-one question answer round with their idols. So we give you this chance and ask some really shandar questions to get some really shandar answers. So do we have a first question here?
Okay, but this is feeling like very like, oh, forced. हम लोग यहाँ पे interview करने आए. It's a damn chilled out thing. You know, we really wanted to release our title track with you guys. We really pushed for it. We're like, because this film is for you. Shandar is for you. We want you to have fun. I want you to be dancing with your girlfriends, your boyfriends, your chacha, chachi, mama, mami, kaka, kagi, grandfather, grandmother. Just take this song, play it again and again and dance. Eventually, we will call a few beautiful young ladies and beautiful young boys to dance with us a bit. We have the master trainer, Shahid Kapoor, who has taught me how to dance. And I'm sure that you'll get very excited. Okay, so let's sorry, I just took over. We can start the questions.
Alia, there are people to ask these things.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, yeah. So girl in black.
The girl in black, there are so many girls in black.
That girl in black.
That girl in
That
black.
particular girl in black.
She's your friend? No. You made her sit there and told her, don't worry, I'll give you the
I
first
actually do
question.
have friends.
How do you know that girl in black? You guys know each other? Besties? No? Strangers? Strangers in the night?
Okay, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Pari. I'm from Metabai Kshitij.
You're Pari? Oh. I have a friend called Pari / Pariniti. Okay.
My question is for Shahid. You were here in 2007 when Kshitij was revived.
When I was... What? Come
You were
again?
here in 2007 when Kshitij was revived.
Yes.
And you're here again out in our 9th year. How does it feel being back to Kshitij?
Old. No, it feels awesome. Like I said, it's amazing always to come back to college and to come back to Mithibhai, which is home. And every time I come here... No, seriously, I have some of the most fun memories of my life in this college. Not in the classroom, in other places. But yeah, I've had so much fun in this college. And it's so awesome to see all you guys here and to see the stadium full of so much love. So lots and lots of love. Big love to all of you all.
Thank you.
But such a small question. Nothing more you want to know from us, Pari. So well behaved. This is not how students were when I was around.
Would you like to share some experience from your college life?
X-rated stuff, bro. Let's avoid.
Any more questions? Yeah, you.
This is the sponsors box.
That boy in black t-shirt.
Confidently they've shouted, हमने पैसे दिए हैं.
First of all, Alia, I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
इतना फास्ट तो मैंने भी नहीं बोला था यार. सही लौंडा है. क्या नाम है भाई तेरा?
Tirath.
हाँ?
Tirath.
Irath.
Yes.
What does that mean?
It's God's place.
Oh, God's place. I can't say anything now. Cut it.
Fab name. Tell me, Rath.
which was the shooting location of the film and which was your favorite, like the shoot?
पहले I love you बोल दिया उसका ऐसा फुफड़ू सा question.
Basically, you didn't want to ask a question, na?
ये तो तू पेपर में पढ़ सकता था, कोई जर्नलिस्ट पूछेगा, कुछ अच्छा सवाल पूछ.
Yeah,
I
come
love
on,
you
Neeraj,
बोलने
be
के लिए
little
question.
creative.
अरे I love you सवाल नहीं होता बेटा, आगे कुछ बोलो.
Be little creative, come on. Okay, we put you in the
Ask
spot.
her which is your favorite place you want to go out for dinner in Bombay. ऐसे वो अच्छा पूछ यार, come on.
Which is your favorite place to go on?
अरे
for
don't say
dinner?
the same thing.
Yeah, this. You're too cute. Okay, something. One, come on. Go for
See,
it. Again.
Alia, you ask him a question.
Wow.
Come on.
Oh.
Let's reverse this. Why not? Why should girls be left behind? Come on. आज तेरा lucky day है बेटा.
Okay, I have to ask him a question now.
Ask him something cute.
Okay,
You're good with that.
ask him something cute. Huh? He's asking me to ask me which standard you're
Oh
in.
no, we don't want to know about the standard.
is late.
Ask him something nice. Come on. Cute looking boy, Alia Bhatt, great moment. Make it count, make it
Okay,
shandar.
okay. Would you want to dance with me?
Yes.
It was only a question. Doesn't mean you'll actually get to dance. Your answer is correct, sit down.
I love you. You are so cute. We'll dance together. We'll dance away. Okay. Next.
Do we have any other? Okay. Wow. You there. Yeah, you.
All black t-shirt people are getting questions.
After this, no more black t-shirts allowed. Other color t-shirts. Some partiality is happening. Some setting has happened. कि सब हम black t-shirt में आएंगे हमसे ही पूछना.
Hi, my name is Janki and I'm from Mithibai Kshitij. My question is for both of you. How was the experience working with each other for Shandar?
Okay. Can I tell you how my experience was? And then she'll
Yes.
tell you how her experience was. My experience was this. Now she'll tell you her experience. Talk non-stop.
Shahid, you know what I feel we should do now? Babe, I think we should do this that way. But what do you think, babe? Because I feel that day Vikas said, but you know what I also feel? Like, I think we should go there. But you know what I really like? You know, that day you said something very nice. Say it again, say it again. You know what you said? I'll tell you.
Yes.
It wasn't like that bad also,
Alia?
but something to this effect.
Yes,
yeah.
something to this effect. Alia Bhatt is all of 21 years old, I think.
22?
All of 22 years old. With the experience of a 65-year-old, there's nothing that she doesn't know.
No, that's not true.
She has a shandar point of view towards life, and therefore she knows the answers to everything. So you can ask her anything she knows.
No, Shahid.
Yeah, she took the whole I don't know thing very seriously. Now she knows everything about everything. She covered it up in 1 year.
Guys, you can make this a motivational speech or you can ask about like tips for your boyfriends, for your girlfriends,
No, no.
anything.
Tips and all, no, yeah. Like, just talk to us. Like, what would, even if you want to ask me, Alia, like, what did you eat in the morning? Or, okay, fine, what do you hate about,
As you can see, she already has the questions which she's ready to answer also. So be quick, otherwise she'll ask herself questions, answer them herself and leave. So hurry up.
No, somebody not in black now. We have a
Blue shirt.
Blue shirt.
Blue shirt in the front. He laughed at all my jokes. He should get to ask a question.
Shahid, how is it after marriage?
creative?
तेरी होने वाली है? हाँ?
Not planning.
लड़की ढूंढी है? मैंने दूर का सवाल क्यों पूछ रहा है बेटा? बहुत टाइम है, एंजॉय कर ले लाइफ. हाँ, क्या हुआ? शादी हो गई? क्या कर रहा है? 3 साल से डेट कर रहा है? एक ही लड़की को?
But that's not a bad thing, yeah, guys. Come on. Who's here in a committed
अरे
relationship?
मैं कह रहा हूँ,
I only saw 4 hands.
वो
Means
बेचारा-
all of you are single.
अरे उसको माइक वापस दो यार. उसके साथ ऐसा ट्रीट करो तुम लोग उसको. इट्स लाइक सुसु आई है और तुम दरवाजा खोलते हो. आना है? नहीं, रहने दे. नहीं, आजा. नहीं, रहने दे. उसका एक्सप्रेशन देखो. हाँ, क्या तेरी 3 साल रिलेशनशिप हो गई है और तू कमिटेड है? फर्क क्या पड़ता है? शादी तो हो गई तेरी, 3 साल से एक ही लड़की के साथ है. सेम थिंग ब्रो. जस्ट राइट नेम. मैरिड, अनमैरिड, कंफ्यूज्ड, फेसबुक पेज. यू शुड राइट गॉन. 3 साल के बाद तू छोड़ेगा तो 1 साल तुझे ग्रीफ लेना पड़ेगा.
I really
सोचो.
want to know if his girlfriend's in the same room.
Is your girlfriend here?
Okay,
Where
you're
is
lucky.
she? Where is she? ऐसे relief से
She's
बोल
at
रहा
home.
है. She's at home.
Who's home?
It feels great, bro. It's a great feeling.
Of course.
Go for it. Just do it.
Can you teach us this Shandar step?
We'll
Want
come to that.
You want to learn? We'll come to that. We promise we'll come to
पक्का
that.
we'll come to that.
तो चप्पल में आया तो क्या स्टेप सिखाऊं मैं? स्टेप की रिस्पेक्ट तो करता नहीं है. डांस सीखना कुछ कपड़े वपड़े पहन कर आओ, अच्छे जूते पहन कर आओ. You are wearing your Alia Bhatt. You can dance in anything, correct? Yeah. See?
No,
By popular demand. Who will argue with you?
Not arguing,
Tell us about
Baba.
this dress that you're wearing. Don't you want to know why she's wearing this dress?
Yes.
I am very curious to know why she's wearing a dress which has so many things like this. Alia, what is the secret behind this dress?
Okay, guys, it's quite cool and very interesting. So basically, I had a contest on Twitter where I asked everybody to just send me some poems or some drawings with the theme being Shandar Alia. And I said I'll display it in a way that you won't be disappointed.
Why are you telling them something they all on Twitter, they all know?
So, if anybody knows what the doodle dress is, this is my Shandar doodle dress. So I actually have people's personal drawings and poems on it. If you want to read something out, Shahid,
Yes, I'd be happy to read.
ये हवा है.
हाँ, इससे नीचे मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता आलिया, इतना ही हमारे लिए सेफ है. ये हवा की स्पेलिंग HWA. I don't think this person is from मिठी भाई. ये हवा की सरसराहट कुछ कहने की कोशिश कर रही है. ना जाने कौन इस कमबख्त दिल को याद कर रही है. जी तो चाहता है कि इस सरसराहट से उसे पहचान लूं. अरे तुम लोग इरशाद वाह कुछ तो बोलो यार. जी तो चाहता है कि इस सरसराहट से उसे पहचान लूं, पर क्या करूं कमबख्त किस किस का नाम लूं.
Okay.
आलिया के ड्रेस पे ऐसा लिखा हुआ है इतना मतलब.
Then this is also nice. Read this.
This is also nice. It's written in good handwriting.
I want to
She has even read all these things before coming out here, if you can observe.
read it fast.
Acha, this looks very odd. I think you should stand frontal. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. Shandar Alia. Do you remember the time, Alia, when you were scared of Kalia? उसके बाद तुम्हें क्या क्या पा लिया? संघर्ष ने तुमको बॉलीवुड में एंट्री दिला दिया. हाईवे ने तुमको क्रिटिक्स के का प्यार दिला दिया. ये इसने खुद लिखा है, मेरे से पढ़वा रही है.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं लिखा है खुद.
हाँ, अपने लिए खुद लिखा है.
नहीं.
2 states ने तुमको स्टार बना दिया. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया के क्वेश्चन ने तुमको समथिंग 70 दैट व्हाट आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट मींस. पर इसलिए तो है इतनी शानदार आलिया.
It's cute. It's cute. So I shared that with you now.
बट ये सेम आदमी ने 2 भेजे हैं.
नहीं.
बिकॉज उसने वो होता है ना, वो उसके ऊपर ऑटो करेक्ट के ऊपर वो जब when you don't write a
Underline,
proper name, that
underline.
red line that comes, it's still here.
Like, said I drew some drawings and, you know, like, it's damn cute. There's a cat here because I love cats. Oh, I heard somebody say, oh. Okay, now enough. Y'all can come and read my dress later, maybe. But
Okay, the
next
fashion
question.
segment is over. Now we'll move on to other things.
Can I get a question?
That's a question, bro.
Okay.
There are some
So you
questions.
lost your chance of asking. Okay. I'm joking. I'm joking. Go for it. Whoever that was, go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, you have. Oh.
Yeah.
A big round of applause for this very well-behaved gentleman. तुझे टीचर ने अलाउ किया है यहाँ पे, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट ने तो तुझे चूज नहीं किया होगा. तू सबसे बेस्ट बिहेव्ड फ्रंट रो वाला स्टूडेंट होगा, नहीं है?
No, Krishna.
Tell me, is he? Do you all know this guy? Do you all think he's a really nice guy? Do you
Who
want
said
to?
no? She
Who
said,
said no?
She said no. Black T-shirt said no.
इसकी गर्लफ्रेंड होगी. He's the, what's his name? We love Krishna. Everybody loudly. We love Krishna. Okay, Krishna, now you can ask whatever you want. Whatever you want.
No, I wanted to ask you that when you were like back 9-10 years back, when you were in Mithibai.
You're so sweet. You're only saying 10 years. I love you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was 24 10 years back, so probably a little before that.
Okay, 15-20 years back.
Okay, calm down.
Okay. When you were in Mithibai, the festival Kshitij was not there.
Yes.
So now that you know it's a big festival,
Yes.
and do you think that, you know, if it was there in your time, it would have helped you in any way, or do you wish that you
Do you
should have
think he
had-
needed any help?
No.
Do you know हमारी फिल्म के अंदर
Yes, yes.
देखो बॉस क्षितिज अभी है तब नहीं था बट मिठी भाई तब भी था
Agreed.
मिठी भाई अब भी है
Very true.
मिठी भाई कल भी रहेगा और मैं यहाँ आते रहूंगा
Very true.
तू बोलेगा 10 साल पहले फिर तू बोलेगा 20 साल पहले फिर तू बोलेगा 30 साल पहले फिर तू बोलेगा अरे कौन है आप अंकल आप क्यों आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे मैं फिर भी यहाँ पे आऊंगा बिकॉज आई लव दिस प्लेस एंड आई लव दिस फेस्टिवल
Big round of applause for Shahid Kapoor and Alia Bhatt.
But we want to answer one more questions. Don't sign us off. Any more
I
questions?
have a question. I have a question to both of you. Shahid, Alia, here.
Where are
here.
you?
Where are you?
Where are you?
Here.
Jump.
Yes.
Oh, there. Hi.
Congratulations, both of you.
What?
Fabulous song.
You've got a reserved chair I'm observing.
What's your name?
तेरा
This
बड़ा
is reserved. This is
पुल-
reserved for media.
बड़ा पुल है यार क्या है
This is
क्यों
reserved
reserved?
for media.
Media, Baba.
You're from the media?
Yeah.
I thought you look like a student.
Now we are finally getting
Thank
to
you so
hear a
much.
media question. Yes, sir.
So first of all, congratulations. Song is very fabulous.
Thank you
My
so
question
much.
to you is Alia Bhatt. जब आपने ये song मतलब करने के टाइम पे रिहर्सल के टाइम पे matching Shahid step is not that easy. इतने fabulous तरीके से होना चाहिए तो आपने अपनी तैयारी कैसे की? How was your rehearsal?
मैं रो रही थी जैसे मैंने last time भी कहा था. Honestly, I really don't feel like I can match up to him, and I'm saying that with great honesty. I don't make that face, Shahid. I believe it.
No, I thought of a really nice story which I wanted to praise you about, but now let it be.
Anyway, basically I did, and the idea is not to match up to him. The idea is to really just have fun with him because when he dances with joy. And he tells you, Alia, don't concentrate on the step. Think about the mood. You're focusing too much on the step. When he does it, you don't want to look, oh, how technical it is. Of course, it's technically beautiful. But his overall body language is so vibrant and so electrifying that it just kind of, it translates on screen. You just feel like, oh yeah, Shahid's dancing. No, mujhe bhi naachna hai. No, mujhe bhi naachna hai. You get that vibe. So you want people to dance with you when you watch them.
Shahid.
And I think that's what I've learned from Shahid. I don't think I can match up to him.
No, but there was a really
But I
cute-
want to always dance with him.
There's a really cute thing that Alia did when we were doing this song, Shandar. There was a major wardrobe issue that was going on, and we were already on set, and there was something, because she had not seen, there was one main step, you know, when she's coming ahead like this, like this, like this, and that is, she has to like squat and do it and all that. So we realized that the outfit that she had decided was something like this. It was like a dress or something, and they were like, you know, we can't do that step in the dress. So she actually went back to her van, took one, you know, opened her bag full of all her clothes, took out a pair of shorts, came back and said, you know, if I wear these shorts, is it okay? Because then we can shoot today and we don't have to wait. So she's a very, very professional girl, and I thought that was really, really cool.
Thanks.
It's true. You did do that.
I did.
Shahid, yeah.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Shahid, शाम शानदार सॉन्ग का लिरिक्स है तो मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी मीरा के साथ आपकी अब तक की कौन सी बेस्ट शाम शानदार है ये आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे
मैं अगर मैच भी देखने जाऊंगा तो क्वेश्चन वो यू नो मीरा वाली बॉल जो है उसके बारे में आप कुछ हाउ डू यू पुल दिस थिंग अराउंड लाइक दिस इट्स वेल डन हाँ कौन सी शाम शानदार
मतलब मीरा के साथ अब तक आपकी कौन सी शाम शानदार रही है प्लीज कुड यू टेल अस
हर शाम शानदार रही है मैडम
Let me just say, मीरा को शाम शानदार बहुत पसंद है. She called me up personally and told me, babe, I love the song. So, just to answer that, Meera loves Sham Shandar.
ये माइक पीछे भी भेज दो यार वहाँ बहुत सारे
some
लोग हैं
people are there, look.
I want
Okay.
some questions from people in the back
Yeah, fifth
because I was
last
always
row.
in the back in Miti Bhai College somewhere in the back row
Fifth last, some hand is gone up. White t-shirt. There you are.
that person in the last row with his hand up
White t-shirt, yeah.
where
There.
yes bro yeah give him a bike
Scream.
come on
Oh, can I come there? He said.
हमें सुनाई दे रहा है बोलो because if we can answer this question means we can hear you do you have a question you want to show Alia bro sit down I'm not trusting this last bencher I want to show you something vibe is very scary guy it's a family film Shandar and as Shandar as that something that you want to show is we are feeling a little scared
It's in my phone.
what oh phone sorry I thought you said something else
No.
I don't know. I don't want to say it. He said it's in my something. Then. It's in your phone.
Yeah.
फोटो खींच के रखी तूने?
No.
तो क्या है?
Some collage or something. No?
Yeah.
Ah. You want to show?
Yeah.
But you're so far away. How you will come from there? to
Okay,
here?
let's do one thing. Read out the first message that's on your phone. How about that? Then he can come. हाँ जो बाजू में वो चेक करना
But
correct
Shahid, he
पढ़
can,
रहा है।
yeah, who's sitting next to
बाजू
him?
वाला
Just check.
Let the person next to you read the first 3 messages on your phone.
Yeah.
How about that?
WhatsApp, not text message.
Intrusion on privacy. You will know what it feels like to be an actor. Come on.
We'll see if you're cheating.
उसके बाजू में कौन है? भैया आपको अंग्रेजी पढ़ना आता है? इतना टाइम लगा रहे हैं भैया.
He's not reading. अच्छा read.
I'm in college. Practice चालू है. Why? मैं आऊँ के नहीं college.
बस उसके आगे जवाब नहीं दिया इसने?
नहीं.
मतलब गर्लफ्रेंड है. छोड़ यार आलिया भट्ट मिल रही है मैं कहूँ अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से मिलूँ अभी. You wanna come now here? If you can make your way here, by the time you reach, we'll answer 3 more questions. You can start your journey.
Come.
So, okay, by the time you come down, we'll be taking 3 more questions.
Hi,
Last
Alia.
3 questions.
Alia.
So
Alia,
make
here.
it worth the while.
Here.
Yeah. That check shirt. Yeah, you. Check shirt. Sorry, we're going with all the patterns and prints and colors today.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Sagar and I'm from Mithibai College.
Where are you, Sagar?
Here.
Okay, come. Bro, there's a light. You know what happens when there's such a strong light? Now you can't see the person. Don't feel upset.
Okay.
Don't take it personally. Now I can see you. Yes, bro.
My question is to both of you.
Okay.
Both of you have done many films till date.
Yes. No, she's done lesser films than me. Yeah, मेरे को 12 साल हो गए. थोड़ा respect दे दे मेरे को.
Yeah, I've not done that many films.
She's done better films than me, but I've done more films than her.
That's not true, but anyway.
Let's not go there. Sorry, yeah.
Both of you are a good actor. So
We are both a good actor. तू मिठीबाई से
both of you.
अरे इसको कंट्रोल में रखो यार हमारा रेपुटेशन. हाँ बोलो मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
So how are you feeling after meeting me?
एक सेकंड. तू अपने आप को कपिल शर्मा समझता है? हैं? ओरिजिनल सवाल तो पूछ. मैं 3 बार जा चुका हूँ शो के ऊपर बेटा. ये सवाल पुराना है.
Original question.
हाँ.
Can I take a selfie with you?
He should.
Yes.
If you can shout louder than them, you come.
Yes.
Shahid, he has a mic.
But he's still not as loud as them. मेरे साथ चाहिए आलिया के साथ चाहिए.
No, we'll all take a selfie after this. We'll take one massive selfie. One Shandar selfie and that'll go up.
Hello.
Hello.
Here.
How are?
Alia here.
हाँ जी.
Yes,
किधर हो आप?
hi.
Here.
मुझे नहीं दिखाई दे रहा.
From the reserved.
अच्छा मीडिया. नमस्ते. बोलिए सर.
What is a Shandar date for you? Because we have all crazy fan
Yeah.
of yours, so उनको भी जानना है.
A Shandar date for me honestly is I'm not into this whole candlelight and going out and dressing up. मेरे को पजामा में घर बैठना है. अपना favorite TV show देखना है. Game of Thrones, Friends. Wanna eat my favorite cheat food. Whether it's like pizza, whether it's like something, maybe मैं vegetarian बन गई हूँ, so it's my cheat food has become a little bit less. Chaat, samosa, वो सब खाना. I want to be in the comfort of my home with my partner and just be myself and not go out and dress up. That my idea of a Shandar and ideal date would be that.
हाँ मतलब इधर दूसरे के ऊपर पिज्जा फेंक रहे, चाट फेंक रहे. Yeah. So nice this feels.
शाहिद के अलावा शानदार डेट पे आप इंडस्ट्री में किसके साथ जाना चाहेंगी?
ओए मेरे को क्यों हटा दिया यार?
Sir, you are already committed ना?
अरे भैया everybody is committed in some way or the other. मतलब hypothetically तो मेरे को alive रहने दो. अच्छा ठीक है बोलो कोई और किसी और का नाम आलिया ले मुझे नहीं.
मैं कैसे किसी और का नाम ले सकती? Who should I go on a date with? You guys tell me. With you ना?
सब अपना नाम ले रहे हैं.
Industry.
Say names. हाँ? I heard
something from S.
I'll tell you something.
You know, I am one of you and you're taking other names and not my name. I'm very hurt.
I'll tell you, मैं शानदार डेट पे शाहिद और मिठी भाई के सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जाऊंगी. This is my शानदार date today. I'm having a very nice day. Thank you guys.
Shahid,
Yes.
Yeah.
Shahid.
Hello.
Hi, Shahid.
Where?
I'm from
Where?
CNN IBN.
Where?
Yes.
Where? Hello. Yes. Hi.
Hi, I'm from CNN IBN.
All right.
I want to ask you, recently A.R. Rahman was declared a fatwa. So, what do you think?
वो आदमी साइड में बोला, अरे नहीं यार, यहाँ पे ये सवाल नहीं, आप पूछिए.
Please. So, do you think a society is becoming really strict towards creativity and freedom?
You've got your answer from the audience. Audience is king, so I think we should go with another question. Please.
Yes, Shahid, can you just answer?
No,
Yeah, no?
I just want to say this. I just want to say this, that it's very important to be able to accept different point of views. If we get very restrictive in life about what can and can't be done, then it becomes a very, you're creating situations for frustration. You're creating situations where people are going to feel suppressed. And yes, sometimes as a creative person, you do feel like there is so much pressure. Like even when we come out to an event or anywhere, there's this feeling of having the need to be overtly careful all the time. Because people are just waiting to find an excuse to go out there and say, hey, see what he did. The fact is that we're all human and we should all be a little more accepting of creativity. And I feel like let the people decide what they feel is good and what they isn't. Because we are here for the audience. I mean, when we do a bad film, they turn around and say, listen, we didn't like it, and that's very clear. And similarly, when they like, so I think people should be allowed to decide, and things should not be so dominant. It feels a bit oppressive sometimes, yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Harsh.
Hi.
I'm from Mitibai Kshitij. I have a question for Alia.
Hmm.
Like, how do you feel to be the youngest established actor in Bollywood?
Actress. Yeah, but he's right, actually. It is actor.
Yeah, actor.
I'm from Mitibai,
Yeah.
so chill.
Isn't Darshil younger than me?
Yes.
And Darshil is quite established, right? No? Okay.
It's not that established, so.
It's a compliment, Alia. You can say thank you.
I know, but I was being modest. Honestly, what really feels good is to come here and to get this love from you guys, because when I do my films, I do it for y'all. I want your appreciation, I want your love, and I just want you to never be disappointed by me. So it feels really great, honestly, to be standing here and just witnessing this. Just looking at you guys, smiling, clapping, screaming, cheering to my song. That's the biggest high anybody can ever feel, and I don't think I'll ever stop feeling grateful.
So if you like it so much, will you be coming to Kshitij?
Dude, I would love to come to Kshitij. You don't understand. All my friends have
Beware
been
of
a
this
part.
boy. Beware of this boy. घुमा के इसने जो फेंका है, बेटा. Well done. सही है.
Do I need to recall the dates?
Your associate has told me, but I wanted to say I have had friends who have been a part of the Kshitij organization, like alumni or whatever party, and I have seen them like really work day and night on Kshitij, man. Like, you guys don't sleep. You all are like constantly trying to get people to, like, you know, just have a comfortable time. There's so much talent. If I really wish that, you know, Kshitij was happening right now, it would be the most amazing place to come and launch our song. Kshitij is so shandar, and why can't we be shandar with Kshitij?
Shahid, hi, hello. That's a good. Shahid, I want to ask, there is a new button on social media, Facebook, that dislike button, new dislike button. So I want to ask where you will use this
ये
dislike
कब start
button?
हुआ यार? मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं इसके बारे में.
Sir,
Shit.
it's a new one.
हैं?
नया start हुआ है sir.
अच्छा. Do you think this is a good? Do you think this dislike button is good? Why do you think they're saying no? What's your take?
Sir, मैं आपसे पूछना है, आप क्या
हाँ,
सोचते
but
हो?
तू मेरे भी तो सवाल का जवाब दे. मैं जवाब दूंगा definitely. What do you think? Do you think it's good?
No, I don't think it's a good.
Why do you not think it's good?
Because जिनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा वो वैसे भी like नहीं
Because
करेंगे.
it spreads negativity,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
And I think there's too much of that online. I feel like people are just like removing their frustration on random people. It's like, you know, when you're going on the road and some random dog starts running after you, and like, dude, what did I do? You're just like, भाई मैंने तेरा क्या बिगाड़ा है? तू वहाँ बैठे रहे, मैं चल रहा था. तो people are just waiting कि मैं किसके ऊपर jump मारूं, you know, online, and that's not nice. I think as a society we should not, because you know it gives you the advantage of being, you know, nobody knows who you are, you can't be found, you can't be tracked, nobody will take that pain to do that, and so you're saying things which are negative. I think if you don't like something, you don't need to comment about it. And if it's something which is a national issue, then of course people should comment about it. But I don't think it's good to put any kind of negativity out there. And I think sometimes that happens a lot on online. So I don't think it's a cool idea. You don't like something, you can just move on. Why do you have to say, I don't like you? You know, that's not cool.
Shahid. Okay, Shahid here.
Alia. Hi, Shahid.
Hello.
Shahid here.
Yes, where?
Front of you. Down. Hello.
Hi.
शायद अक्सर लड़के
I found you.
थैंक यू आई एम ग्लैड अक्सर लड़के जब कॉलेज में होते हैं उनका टीचर्स पे क्रश होता है जब आप इस कॉलेज में थे तो कोई टीचर थी जिन्हें आप
क्या होता है
adore करते
टीचर
थे?
टीचर पे क्रश होने के लिए क्लास वास अटेंड करनी पड़ती है
अच्छा तो आपका कॉलेज में क्लास के बाहर क्रश होता था
नहीं क्लास में भी लड़कियां अच्छी लगती थी मुझे
एंड हाउ अबाउट टीचर्स
हाँ
टीचर्स
I haven't crushed on any teacher in Mithibai College.
Oh, specific.
Because by then I'd grown up enough to crush on people same age. You know, when you're younger, you feel no response is going to happen, so you crush on anybody. But I had reached that age where a little response used to happen. Hi. So sometimes a smile used to come. So.
Okay, last question.
Hello.
Last question.
Hello,
Last
Alia.
question from audience, then last question from media.
Hey guys, this is not fair. So people in the back are now getting to ask questions.
Okay.
So we had one question from this side, one question from the other side. Please give them a mic, yeah.
Yeah, one question. That's one question.
Yeah, there's so many people on that side.
Yeah, now you have a mic, Babu. You say.
Yeah.
Say.
Okay, this year our theme at Mithibai is, at Kshitij is the Legion of Legends.
Hey, you're the one who asked me for a photo before I stood up.
Yeah, I did.
So you can come later. I'll give you one.
Thank you. The theme over here is the Legion of Legends. So the question is to both of you all. Who has inspired you the most and who is your legend? Like, you're inspired.
Who's your legend, Alia?
Both of you all.
Stressful question, yaar. Time लगेगा अभी सोचने में.
Let's both walk and think like this.
Okay, I'll walk this way. Daddy किसी ने बोला.
So, Alia, come on.
Who's a legend?
Do you want 4 options? I can give you 4 options.
Give.
Papa,
हाँ.
Mama, Karan Johar, and me.
It's fun.
Choose. Come on.
You give
It's
me
okay, you
very
don't have to
tough
say me.
option. You give me very tough
I
option.
know I'm going to lose, so why should I?
I don't believe in choosing in the people that matter most in my life.
It's a legion of legends, so you can name a few. Come on.
So the legends that he's just named: Papa, Mama, Karan Johar, Shahid Kapoor, Mahesh Bhatt, Soni Bhatt, Shahid Kapoor, Karan Johar. अभी आपकी बारी, sir.
Yes, people who've inspired me. I honestly draw inspiration from anything and everything. I think inspiration can come in many different ways, and it doesn't have to be attributed only to people who are essentially the roots of your life. I mean, my family and the people that I work with, they are my roots, you know. They keep me grounded, they keep me real. But inspiration can come in many ways. It's inspiring to be here. I would like to say that at this moment, I feel inspired and I feel the need to satisfy what it is that you all have given me, the amount of love that you've given me. I want to be able to give it back. I want to be able to do better work. So I think inspiration can come in many ways, and it can come from many people. But at this moment, I feel inspired to have been a student of this college a few years back, and to be standing here on this stage and to be getting so much love makes me feel very inspired.
Okay, Alia,
Thank you,
One
Shahid.
question.
so much.
And,
One
Alia,
question.
Alia.
One question.
Alia, here, on your left. Alia, here.
One second, what happened to the top benchers, last benchers?
Yeah. Somebody from there, come on.
It's
We
not
can
fair.
hear you. Just go with your question, man.
Yeah,
Come on.
just stand somebody
Alia
with
on
a...
your right. Alia.
I know.
Alia,
Last.
here.
Last question. Yeah, girl. Yeah. What's your name? Girly, I was going to call you. Baby, but I'm asking her. Okay, but you also give. Achha, I'm feeling bad now. What's your name?
Hello?
Yeah. What's your sincere request?
I want you to sing the song Samjhava.
Oh. Samjhava you want me to sing? Not...
Yes.
Come on, sing some Java.
Okay.
They love the song. You should sing it.
मैं तेनू समझावा के ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूँ इंतजार हार तेरा तू दिल तू हो जान मेरी Okay, I think with that, we should call
There's
it a...
one
question. One last question.
Call it a Sham Shandar.
One last question.
I am so sorry, Sorbia.
One last question.
One last question.
Here, in the middle.
Ji.
Yeah. Vikas Bell's last film, Queen, won a lot of critical acclaim and national award for Kangana Ranaut also. Do you think you can aim for a national award with this film? The question is for Alia.
Honestly speaking, I want to aim for National Hearts Award and all. It should reach the people's hearts. Forget critical acclaim. I want your emotional acclaim. I want you to be happy. I want you to come out of the film smiling. And I want you to say it was a Shandar experience. That's it.
Okay, guys, now one
Okay,
second.
now we have to-
We need one question from the back. We've still not been able to do that. That'll be the last question for this evening. So somebody from the back, anybody who has a legitimate question, please go for it.
Last row. You're
Can-
the girl
can
with
we-
the grey sweatshirt. Yeah.
Okay.
Give.
The most Shandar memory.
You know what she asked you, right? This is her thinking.